Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App currently experiencing high volume will notify you when this payment is sent. So guys, if you want to send the payment to someone is showing that like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, you have to close this page. So the reason is that maybe at that time many users are using the Cash App and sending the money to the others, and Cash App has high volume of work. Maybe that's why it's not working for you. Okay guys, you can also check from there. Just simply you have to go to Safari, and from here just simply you have to search for Cash App dot status. Just simply you have to search for this, tap on first link. From here you have to wait some seconds. Now from here guys, just simply check here if it's working or not. You can see here guys, send and receive is working properly. Just simply you have to check from here. If send and receive is working properly, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the setting and just simply you have to reset your network setting, because maybe there is a network problem. Then you have to scroll it down, then tap on general, tap on iPhone store. From here you have to offload the app and then reinstall it. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's not working, just simply have to open the Cash App again, tap on your profile. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on support. Now wait some second. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on payments. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on sending payments. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on sending payment again, tap on chat. From here just simply contact with the Cash App support team and tell them that you want to send the money to someone. It's showing the error like you just simply discuss your error with the Cash App support team, and after that hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.